Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your highlight photo cover. So first of all, open your Instagram application. Now here on the bottom right, click on this profile icon. Select the highlight of which you want to change the cover photo. Here you can see this three dot icon. Click on it. Here there's the option of edit highlight on the second. Select it. So here you can see the option of edit cover. Select it. So here as you can see the gallery icon, and select any photo that you want to give for this highlight. I'm choosing this. Tap on next and select done. Again click on this done. So now your highlight cover is changed. So this is the quick and fastest way to change your highlight. Thank you for watching.